We live in a land girt by sea, so when the weekend comes we love getting on the water with the boys and the girls. But after a great day on the water, it's time for your family to come together and have a fantastic time cleaning the skis. That's until you come to the dreaded footwell. And what once made families come together tears them apart. But those times have ended. Say hello to the device that will single-handedly change the way you clean your jet ski.
The Suckomatic uses the Venturi effect. Dirt and sand, well that's no problem. Watch as the Suckomatic sucks it up with ease. Suckomatic, bringing back the joy in cleaning your jet ski.